Tesla engine technology, the secret behind its power and efficiency. Tesla is not just a car company, it's a technology powerhouse. But what makes these cars so powerful, efficient, and futuristic? Today, we're breaking down the secrets of Tesla's engine technology. At the heart of Tesla vehicles lies the electric motor, inspired by Nikola Tesla's 19th-century AC induction motor design. This motor is why Tesla cars are known for their exceptional performance and efficiency. Tesla's electric motor is part of a finely tuned system that includes its high-capacity battery, cutting-edge inverter, and advanced software. Together, they deliver peak performance and maximize energy use. One key feature of Tesla engines is their instant torque. Unlike gas engines, Tesla motors deliver maximum power the moment you hit the accelerator. This means breathtaking acceleration, going from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds. Tesla's electric motors have fewer moving parts compared to internal combustion engines. Fewer parts mean less wear and tear, low maintenance costs, and a much smaller environmental footprint. Tesla is always innovating. Their newer models, like the Model 3 and Model Y, feature permanent magnet motors that are lighter, more efficient, and even more powerful than their predecessors. And let's talk about Tesla's Gigafactories. These massive production hubs use automation and renewable energy to create their motors and batteries, making sustainable manufacturing a reality. Tesla's engine technology isn't just about driving, it's about shaping the future of transportation. A future where power, efficiency, and sustainability come together seamlessly. If you're fascinated by Tesla's technology, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.